Let's think of a case where two events are not equally likely. Look at this set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Assume you have to choose one random number from this set. It can be any one of the 7 numbers. What is the probability of choosing an odd number? To know this, first we need to find the odd numbers in this set. These 4 are odd. You could have picked any of the 4 odd numbers 1, 3, 5 or 7. And you would have chosen one number from these 7 numbers. So the probability will equal 4 by 7. 4 ways in which we can get an odd number. And 7 is the total possible number of outcomes. Similarly, what would be the probability of choosing an even number? You can choose either a 2 or a 4 or a 6. 3 possibilities out of 7. So the probability would be 3 by 7. So if you observe carefully, the probability of getting an odd number is higher than the probability of getting an even number. In simple words, it means that if you pick any random number from this set, the likelihood of getting an odd number is higher than the likelihood of getting an even number. So these events are not equally likely. 2 more interesting questions and we are done. What would be the probability of getting a 8 if we choose a random number from these 7 numbers? That's weird, huh? Do we see an 8 anywhere in the set? No, 8 is not part of the set. Getting an 8 is impossible because it does not exist in our set. So how many ways in which we can get an 8? Well, there are 0 ways in which we can get an 8. And the total possibilities are still 7. And 0 by 7 is 0. We say that probability is 0 or impossible. And what if you're asked the probability of picking a natural number from these 7 numbers? Any number you pick, it will certainly be a natural number. So there are 7 ways in which we can pick a natural number. And the total possibilities are also 7. And this is 1. We say that the probability is 1 or 100%. We call this a certain event. It will certainly happen. If you watch all the probabilities videos, I would say it is certain that you would master this topic.